up, guys? Amalgamaniac here with another reaction video, and today we are here with the RWBY Volume 6 Adam character short. So, I'm not gonna lie, my RWBY Volume 5 reactions didn't really perform well. So, now obviously I know part of that is because I kind of got lazy as far as the editing goes, which probably wasn't a good impression for me not being here for a few months. And they were both also almost 2 hours long each, so that probably intimidated a lot of people, and people who were too lazy to look at the timestamps. But anyways, I mean, like, I don't know. I mean, obviously, if you see a 2-hour RWBY reaction, you know that contains all of them. So, I don't know. Like, I'm always going to be into RWBY, but may or may not continue doing reactions. I don't know. We'll see. But let's not start this off on a downer, okay? I had Discord notification. Never mind. I got distracted. Okay, so yeah, let's not start this on a down note. Like I said, I still love RWBY, and I saw a couple weeks ago, I think, that they had posted the Volume 6 Adam character short. Now, where we left off with Adam in Volume 5, he pretty much ran away with his tail between his legs, even though he didn't have a tail. But anyways, you know what I mean. Fondest jokes. Anyways. So, yeah, Adam pretty much abandoned well, he pretty much ran away when everyone abandoned him, and his plan ultimately failed. So, he was working on rallying the White Fang with him, and some of them did, but then he tried to blow everybody up, and they turned on him. So, last we see Adam, he's on the run, so maybe this will talk about where he's at now and what he's planning for Volume 6. So let's not waste any time and get to it. Go.
What's up, everyone? If you want some more cool animation,
What's
go check out
up?
No Better Nowhere. It's on rooster.com.
Yeah,
Go do it.
it's got clapping.
What else has got?
Rocks with faces.
And
Some people got guns.
do they sound like pew pew?
Sure.
Pew pew. Okay, here we go. Bandits.
Alright, and you said no cameras?
The faunus, the White Fang.
Pretty sure you work here.
I work in labor. I'm not even allowed near processing.
This doesn't feel right.
Maybe we should just leave.
No. It's time we stood up for ourselves.
Adam.
Our kind's been
So those are the ones that are still loyal with Adam, I guess.
treated like dogs. Taking this dust is only illegal.
Oh, his mask
in the eyes
isn't
of
on.
The same people that call us animals.
Ah, come on. I want to see his face finally.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, what's with the custom mask? Kind of makes you look like a Grim.
We may not want them to know who we are, but we should make sure they never forget what we looked like. Now, it's time we got what we deserved.
Okay. Okay, so there's... Wait. Oh, this is a flashback.
We're just trying to pass through.
Well, you animals pass through the wrong town.
There's no need for violence.
Ah. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Now that I think about it, have we actually seen Adam fight aside from the black trailer in the very beginning of the series? Jeez. I don't recall ever seeing Adam fight aside from the black trailer. That's cool. Oh crap! He just got splattered.
You're all freaks!
That wasn't necessary.
This is where the rivalry
This
starts.
is the very reason they think they can treat.
Kira! He saved your life. He's a hero.
Blake, I'm sorry.
She didn't like him either?
I
Huh.
told you.
I thought
it
they were on
was
the
an
same side.
accident.
Was it? This wasn't the first time humans have died on missions you led. How many more accidents are there going to
Oh,
be?
so this is the black
I don't
trailer.
know. I'm out there fighting
I
for
think.
us, and when you fight, people get hurt. What, do you want me to just abandon our cause? Like your parents?
No!
Uh-oh.
I'm not saying that. I don't know.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought them up. I just get scared when it feels like you don't believe in me anymore.
I never said that.
Thank you, Blake. It's good to know I've still got you.
Ooh. This is the first time we've seen her fight. Yeah. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ilias. Ooh. Are they in Atlas right now? Yeah. Uh-oh. They're kicking butt all through here. Yeah, Ilya definitely seems less experienced when all three of them. Well, I guess that would have been obvious, but
Adam. Let's move.
he just wants to kill everybody.
You continue to be an extraordinary resource to this organization.
Everything I do is for the Faunus.
I'm sending you back to Vale. You're to assume control of the Brotherhood there.
Thank you, High Leader.
Adam, if you continue along this path, you might just find yourself standing beside me at my throne.
And now it's his throne.
High Leader!
Oh, yeah, it
We
is.
received a message from Hazel. The raid on Haven's gonna be more complicated than we thought.
Don't worry. Nothing will stop us now. It's time I got what I deserved.
Uh-oh. Okay, what's going on now? This is probably him after he ran away. Yeah. Is it going to show his face finally? After he got beat like a little pansy boy. Wait, is that it? Ah, crap. Come on now. No man of nowhere. Man. They keep teasing Adam. I don't know. We've never seen his face. I'm sure there has to be something off about it, otherwise they wouldn't be hiding it. Or maybe they just don't to show him my words are not coming out. I don't know. There has to be some reason they keep not showing his face, I guess. But I don't know. That's probably part of his villain appeal, I guess. So yeah, that was a good video, and I am psyched for Volume 6. I don't remember the exact date. It's October something. So I will keep my eyes out. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Leave your comments down below, and I will see you on the flip side. Whoop whoop!